Welcome to my channel, guys, and I'm really excited to have you guys here. Inside this box of truth is the name of every country in this world written inside it, and we are going to pick one today. Anyone we pick will go to the most popular city in that country. Imagine coming to your country, imagine your country being the next. Now here we're going to find out which country it is. Yeah, so we got this. Don't mind the rays coming from the sun, okay? We are going to open it. Hopefully it's somewhere warm. I want to go somewhere warm. It's winter now, so it's very cold out here, and I need somewhere warm. And it's Turkey. Yeah. Now join me. Let's go to Turkey. Yeah. But of course, before then, we're gonna have to find out what the most popular city in Turkey is. The most popular one. Yeah. That's what we're. And hopefully, I think it should be. I don't know, but we'll see. Even though I wanted somewhere obviously warmer, but yeah, what to do? Guys, just like that, I was at the airport. I couldn't wait to just be on the plane, head down to Istanbul, try out the food, go to the mosque, just delve into the culture. It was a really super smooth check-in, and just like that, we're in the sky, almost landing in Turkey. It was a great feeling, and I was super excited. Guys, we just landed in Turkey, Istanbul, and this is the start of our journey of going to the most popular cities in every country in the world, and I'm so excited. You can see that on my face. People are looking at me like I've gone crazy and I've not even started yet. Just stay tuned. Just stay tuned for and see the world through my eyes, because I'm going to be doing some really good shots, going through, delving into the culture, eating the food, trying out different things, showing you the place I'll be leaving. It's gonna be fun. Just make sure you follow me if you've not yet. This is the time to do so, yeah? So when you first enter, yeah, you just feel the air, the aura, the people. It feels so much like Asia, yeah, and it's just amazing. I can't really wait to show you more, and so we'll explore together. You can just see the environment, how beautiful it is, how sweet and serene it is. Istanbul is a place I definitely recommend for anyone who's you just want to get away from and the weather. The weather is another thing to talk about. It's so cool, it's so nice. It's not cold, it's good. Probably the people who live here will feel like it's cold, but it's not cold at all. So, this is where we'll be staying at. Looks good. Yeah. At this point, I could already tell that my stay is going to be awesome, because all from the airport to the metro station to this point at the hotel, I've been having a blast. And at this point, I was already having a conviction that this is a place you always want to come to, yeah? This is a place you always want to come chill. And I was starving so hard here. I wanted to just eat. I just quickly went to a Turkish restaurant not so far from our hotel to get, some Turkish pizza. It wasn't bad. I'd give it like a 6 or 7 over 10. It was really good. Yeah. Good morning from Turkey, Istanbul. Beautiful city. You can complain, right? Can you? This is a perfect time to say welcome to Istanbul, where every corner has its own unique story and every step feels like it's a journey through time. It's just so amazing to see. This city, it's a living mosaic, blending the ancient and the modern, from the grandeur of the Ottoman Empire to the vibrant energy to today's Istanbul, where everyone is holding a camera. There's something magical about the streets. There's something to it that I just cannot really get my hands on. I feel like you have to be there to understand it. It's so unique, it's so special. We're talking about a city that connects two worlds together, and that connects Asia and Europe. Just imagine yourself for a minute living in this place. The peace, the calm that just come from the waters with every wave that just splashes by will just come with its own different kind of blessings. And you can talk about Istanbul without talking about this very unique smell. There's this smell that you get from literally everywhere you go. Yeah, I asked someone and he said it's called like a sesame bread, like they call it simit, something like that. But it's God, you just get hungry immediately. This mosque is called Yeni Chami. For this place, you cannot ask for a better time to come. And just what hits you, is the uniqueness of the mosque. It's so beautiful. I mean, you just have to see it for yourself for you to understand. It's so amazing. I mean, being inside here, you could tell this place is really holy, and I just wanted to take a quick picture, of course. Who wouldn't want to? Oh, lovely. From the get-go, you just feel this place is cool, It's you just have to be here to experience it. The architecture, top notch, top level, top. Istanbul, this is a must visit. You have to visit when you come here. It's so great. Just look at these architectures. Look at them. Fucking beautiful. So gorgeous. It's really nice. This is a vibrant city. It's a place I definitely love to come and visit again. It's so hard before you see anybody frowning. You just almost never see any. Everyone is with a smiling face. And from this point, I decided to go to the first train that drove in Turkey. I think the first train station or so. I don't have too much details, but it was looking so beautiful. I wish I could touch it, but it's really not open to the public. Was a really, really great experience. And from there, I was looking at the bridge, the one that connects Asia with Europe. From here, that's the one you can see with the lights are over there. It's called the Bosphorus. Oh man, it was a lot to take in. The views was wonderful. And of course, after a long day, you get so hungry, you want to sit down, you want to chill, you want to eat something. And what a better way to do that by going into a Turkish restaurant? Oh man, there was a lot to choose from. And what if I told you everything I ate here cost about less than $5? I went out to ask a local who was there to tell me about the food. Bro, what's this called? What's the name of this food? Do you know it?
This
Yeah.
pilav tea kofte.
This one? Is it corn?
Pilav rice.
Rice?
The special Turkish rice.
Oh,
This
okay.
its name is kofte.
okay.
Kofte. This is milk, you know, yogurt, yogurt.
Yeah.
This is pepper.
This one is like tzatziki, they call it, right?
Yes,
Yeah.
pepper. This is like bread
Oh,
for pizza.
good. It's nice. After going to the beautiful holy mosque, seeing the Bosphorus, enjoying myself in a place that I felt so welcomed, me being happy, me being just so amazed that I was there, seeing the first train ride in Turkey, it was time to go home. Just like life, everything that has a beginning always has an ending. And please, if you've still not subscribed yet, this is the time for you to subscribe. I want you to see me grow. I want you to see my video improve. And this is going to be a journey that we all are going to take part together. This is 1 out of 197. See you in the next video. Thank you.